Hi, welcome back to Smarty Peeps. Today I am going to review and unbox the new Smartwatch 7 series, the Z36. Capacitance multi-touch. Full round 1.7-inch HD resolution. 200 mAh battery. Basic functionalities are steps, distance, calorie, heart rate monitor, blood pressure, oxygen monitor, call reminder, SMS alerts, social app, message reminder, alarm clock reminder, sedentary reminder, sport, turn the wrist and shine the screen, locking in bracelets, looking for phones, remote photography, do not disturb and dial customization. Let's do the unboxing. The watch came in black box and the watch is in black color. Aluminum case 44 mm. It has wireless charging dock. Let's open the box to see what's inside of it. Instruction book with complete functionalities of Smartwatch 7. QR code to install the watch app in the mobile. Black strap and wireless charging dock for watch. Turn it on. You can use the dial to resize the watch icons. It has the dialer, you can dial the number as well. Let's connect the watch from mobile Bluetooth. Sync the watch from watch settings. It has music player control. Overall, this new smartwatch has a good quality, bright display, and waterproof. Attach the straps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, and if you any question, do not hesitate to ask me about it.